Hi Nazim, how are you?
I am fine. How are you, Jenny?
I am fine too. Thank you. What are you doing this evening?
I am taking care of my garden. The garden in my backyard is running weeds.
Oh, it is such a beautiful garden.
Thank you. I work every day in it.
Oh, does someone help with it?
No, I have done it all by myself as a hobby.
This is so great.
Come, I will show you around. In this part of the garden, I have planted flowers, and in the other part, I have cultivated some vegetables.
This is such an amazing use of time.
Yes. May I ask you about your hobby?
My hobby is fishing. I get such pleasure from it. Fishing helps me to keep calm and patient.
It is a really interesting thing.
Oh, I have to go now. I will see you soon.
I will see you soon.